everyone, my name is Colette Norval. I'm a collaboration specialist here at Cisco, and today I'm doing something really fun. I'm going to unbox this box of goodies and I have a helper with me. This is, what's your name? Tell everyone. So in this box here is a box full of all the goodies, all of the essentials, the toolkit essentially that we think you need to be an effective hybrid worker. And we're going to show you it now. Look. Wow. Wow. Right, let's have a look. Oh, right. Wow. Do you want to try them on? So our hybrid worker bundle is meticulously crafted to cater to the onboarding and laptop renewal phases of your employees in the comfort of their own homes. It's essentially an all-in-one package loaded with Cisco and Meraki devices tailored to each employee's needs. The boxes themselves are environmentally friendly, 100% recyclable and designed following sustainable circular economy principles, something that is hugely important to us here at Cisco. Right, well done, high five. Okay, so now that we've had some help to unbox everything, let's actually go through what all of this stuff is. The whole idea behind the box is so that when you are a new start here at Cisco, your first day is as seamless, as effortless, and as fun as possible. So, with that being said, one of the first things that comes in this box is a pre-provisioned laptop. So it's already pre-provisioned with Duo, with WebEx meetings, with the app. It's got everything that you need, Thousand Eyes, everything that you need for Meraki, single sign-on, VPN. Basically, out of the box, you are good to go on your first day as an employee here at Cisco. High quality video is hugely important to us here at Cisco. We always want to make sure that we have the best quality video experience at home as we do if we join a video enabled meeting room at the office. And this is where the Desk Mini comes in. This one in particular is set up in hot desking mode, and that's what makes these Desk Minis so good for shared workspaces. You simply swipe up, there's a QR code here, you use your phone to scan the QR code and it will seamlessly pull through your WebEx profile. All of your meetings are going to load up here and you are good to go as a remote worker. Then we have a huge range of headsets available, and these ones are the Bang & Olufsen 980s. Let's have a look. If, like me, you like the comfort of an over-ear headphone, then these are the ones for you. They come in this lovely silver colour, but they also come in a black too. And essentially what you're getting is all of the quality of a Bang & Olufsen headset, but enterprise grade features too. And they can also, like all of our devices, be managed on the control hub. This right here is the latest member of the Bang & Olufsen 900 series family. This is the Bang & Olufsen Cisco 950, which is everything that you would expect from a Bang & Olufsen earbud, but with all the features that make it business enterprise ready. Out with the Bang & Olufsen range, we do have our own Cisco headset range, and this one here that I'm going to show you is the 720. So this is again just another option that can be included in the hybrid worker bundle, depending on the requirement for the individual employee. All the features that come from our headset range, including noise cancellation technology, crisp call audio, you get up to 20 hours of talk time with a charge on these, and again with all of our devices, they can all be managed by administrators on the control hub. We also will include some form of Meraki device, and in this box right now we've got the Meraki Z4. The Cisco Meraki Z4 is a teleworker gateway, which is an enterprise class firewall, VPN gateway and router. The Z4 is designed to securely extend the power of Meraki cloud managed networking to employees, IT staff and executives working from home. And this is exactly why we've included the Meraki Z4 in a hybrid work bundle. We want to ensure that our employees have enterprise grade network available to them as they work from home, just like they do when they work in the office. And what's hugely important here is that only Cisco has the end-to-end technology that really makes hybrid work. If you value your employees, if you want them to work hybridly in an effective way, we can help you to prepare hybrid work bundles for your organisation too.